Last week we went to Bath, and then this week we're taking everyone to the Brecon Beacons.
So this is the Niagara Falls. We won't be visiting that, however, this part of Wales is equally as beautiful. Brecon Beacons!
We're on our way to the Brecon Beacons.
Yeah, we're really happy to visit the Brecon Beacons. We love a national park. What's the one we went to last week?
Dartmoor National Park, that's where we went.
Yeah. We're hoping it's as beautiful, if not more beautiful, than Dartmoor. Alright, do you remember in Devon where I wanted to visit some waterfalls?
Well, we decided to find some amazing waterfalls in the Brecon Beacons. And here are the rules.
Rule number 1, to pick 2 waterfalls to explore together.
2, to drive close to each of them and then walk without much knowledge of the area. And 3, film great footage so you can see the waterfalls from all angles. It's 1 o'clock and we are just driving there. It's going to take us about an hour. We just got to Brecon Beacons National Park, or close to it anyways. We've parked with our friend Baz. We've parked here. I'm not sure if we're any closer to knowing which direction. But this is what you do. You park, select a point and then walk. Get lost and find yourself again.
The 2 waterfalls we picked are Henrhyd Falls and Lady Falls. These are located in the southwest of Brecon Beacons National Park in South Wales. They are 12 minutes away from each other by car and 1 hour and a half walking.
If you want to make a whole day of it, a weekend getaway, or even a few days to explore and hike, there are trails that you can follow.
There are around 20 waterfalls and dozens of gorges and side streams in the Brecon Beacons.
We've prepared a guide so you can plan your trip, and you can download it absolutely for free, which we hope you can find useful. Henrhyd Falls, our first waterfall. We actually parked quite close to the waterfall, but we didn't know this at the time. There is plenty of free parking available. The path to the waterfall is just here. The gate that you see there, that's it. And did you know that this waterfall was featured in The Dark Knight Rises? To learn how to get here and what's about, have a look at the National Trust page and also our guide.
Here's a few essentials we recommend you take with you. Some hiking boots or trainers, a bottle of water and a backpack. Take some sandwiches with you, and we definitely recommend some hiking poles.
So we're heading to the first one.
Another dangerous path.
We're going on an adventure! Where are we going, Ryan?
Where are we going? We're going on an adventure. Wait to see and find out.
It takes about 10 minutes to reach this waterfall, but there is a trail along the valley that takes about 1 hour and passes several other waterfalls, so it's really up to you which path you want to take and how far you want to walk. We managed to get to a waterfall. Amazing. We missed the ones in Devon and the ones in Cornwall, but at least we managed to get to see the ones in Wales. My friend Baz and I are taking a little break. Fantastic to be here. This is the thing, you park the car and then go on your little trip. It's fantastic to get lost and then find yourself again and find beautiful places like this. What do you think, Baz? Yes? My goodness.
Let's go and explore the waterfall. Come on, look.
It's quite busy here in this waterfall. There's loads of families and loads of kids. And loads of kids having fun. It's really nice. It's just very nice to see everyone out and about, having fun, enjoying. It's exactly how it should be, right? I'm surprised. I actually thought there was going to be no one here, and it's a lot of people. I think people come from various different places to come and visit. Hey, Baz. Baz is really concerned.
What a lovely waterfall. It looks beautiful. from being underneath the waterfall, you get a little bit wet. But it's nice. It's nice temperature today as well. It's really, really nice. Do you want to come underneath the waterfall with us?
Let's go. And it's dog friendly. We love a dog friendly, natural place.
Dog friendly, exactly. Loads of dogs, natural, free.
Well,
and beautiful.
You invest in your effort to come down here.
You invest in your life to go on your travels for sure.
Wait, what are you doing?
Filming.
I am stuck.
Let's go, come on. Very agile, you know.
He is.
You can make it up some and just
Yeah. Up and it's like, okay, cool, let's go. Where next? And we made it under the waterfall. So fresh and relaxing here. And off we go to the next waterfall, about a 7-minute drive.
This is the closest town to the waterfall.
What we've noticed is coming to the waterfalls, it's the difficult part is actually finding them. So we parked around somewhere in the town and then we walked towards some directions. There were some signs that said that waterfalls were this way. And this is actually the way there. And it's about 40 minutes walk. So there are a few directions and signs like this. We don't speak Welsh, but you know, that's the name of the waterfall.
So the problem is coming here, we followed the sat-nav, and the sat-nav basically takes you to exactly where the waterfall is. It doesn't take you to where the parking is or the road is to stop and turn and go to. So basically there's a big triangle, it's about 3 or 4 miles wide. And what we've done is we drove around the triangle and basically found the parking. It's a 40-minute walk along the path and away to this waterfall. Are we looking forward to it, Jenny?
Yes, our second waterfall in Wales. We missed the ones in Cornwall and Devon, but we're not missing this one.
Yeah, we changed it up a bit and we did some waterfalls today instead of some coastal walks.
And although the path is longer to get to this waterfall, it's flat. It's not as steep as the other one. It's flat all the way around, mostly flat. And there's so many people here, it's not overwhelming. You get the best of both worlds. We found some caves on the way to the waterfall. Let's go deep in the cave. Come on, this way. Come on. Let's go all the way. So this is the extent of the cave. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. Beautiful nature. It's a lot easier to come to this one than the other one, I think. Walking wise anyways.
It's definitely easier on the feet and the ankles. It's a nice easy stroll. We don't know that yet. We've only been walking for about 5 minutes.
No, but I think it's longer. It takes longer to get there, but it's less steep.
It's a 40-minute walk in total.
Yeah.
45 from the car.
I think I prefer this.
That's each way. So it's an hour and a half walking. Happy days.
Well, we need to get our fitness up. So if you come to this waterfalls, prepare to walk a bit.
Caminando.
Yeah, caminar un poquito. We've made it to the waterfall. It's really nice stream. Very, very nice to be here. Bus is cooling down. There he is. Buzz! All right, let's see if we can get closer. We're gonna go through, oh my God, my feet are wet. Oh, my feet are wet. I think we should have gone that way. We decided to go through a bit of the stream. Okay, I'm going to go back and get you close up. And on our way to the waterfall. Here we come. Are you coming, baby? That's where you're going. That's the waterfall. Let's go. Oh my. Oh, it's very easy to slip here, but boots, trainers should do the trick. It is very nice. Very, very nice. The other one was higher. I think it was taller. But this is pretty cool. It's wider. Welcome to the waterfall, baby.
We made it. We made it to the waterfall.
Second waterfall for today.
Now, let's see if you can make it to pronounce the name, Jenny.
It's something like a lady type.
It is something like
It's
a lady
something like
type.
a lady type.
Let me have a look. Let me have a look and tell you.
Can you, with longer
Right,
arms?
Jenny, let's see.
It's Sgwd, GW Ladies Waterfall.
That's Jenny's Welsh. Well done, darling. SGWD.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Hi, what's happening? We made it to the waterfall. Hi.
Walking back. Join us in next week's video where we head to Snowdonia in North Wales.
We are tackling going up the mountain, Snowdon, and it's got an elevation of 1,085 meters, so 3,560 feet above sea level. Join us for the adventure. Can we make it? Can we not? Have you been? Tell us in the comments. See you next week.